Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths. In this class, we will discuss GATE 2019 given questions in civil engineering. The first question is the Euclidean norm length of vector 4 minus 2 6 hold transpose. Here given options root 56, root 12, root 48 and root 24. Which one is correct in these options? Let us start the solution easily. So let us take the given vector. So let x equal to 4 minus 2 6 hold transpose. Transpose means interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows vectors. We apply the transpose property into this vector. So finally 4 minus 2 6. So compare this column vector to x, y, z. So compare to here x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 2 and z equal to 6. What we have to find? We want Euclidean norm length of the vector. Actually, Euclidean norm length of vector x is denoted by norm x. Actually, it is called Euclidean norm length of x. Here x is the given vector. We know the formula is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Here x is a 4, 4 square is a 16 and y is a minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4, z is a 6, 6 square is a 36. And then simplify 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 16 is root 56. Finally we get answer root 56. Now check root 56 is in our options as it is an option A. So finally the answer is A. Next we discuss second question in GATE 2019 civil engineering. The question is in linear algebra topic. Everyone observe this. Every coaching center first start in linear algebra topic because it is an easy topic and a scoring topic. Let us start the given question. The question is the inverse of the matrix 2 3 4 4 3 1 1 2 4. Here given options, which one is correct in these options? Let us start the solution. First we take the given matrix at A equal to 2 3 1 4 4 3 1 1 2 4. We know the inverse of A is adjoint A by det A. Actually the original process to finding the inverse is long process, but for this question we have a simple trick. What is that? First we observe 4 options in all elements in 4 options. First we take different element in 4 options. Just check, first element is a 2 and first element is a minus 10, first element is a minus 2, first element is a 10 in 4 options is a different. So first we find the adjoint of first element of the given matrix. So adjoint of 2 is, so corresponding row column remove and remaining elements is 3, 1, 2, 4. So apply the 2, product of down arrow minus product of up arrow. 12 minus 2 is a 10. And next we have to find the that A for the given matrix, that A equal to 2 corresponding row column are remove 2, 12 minus 2, and next you take minus 3 corresponding, remove corresponding row or column 16 minus 1. Next we take plus 4 corresponding row column remove and remaining in the 8 minus 3. And the that A equal to 2 into 10 minus 3 into 15 plus 4 into 5. And then finally is 20 plus 20, 40 minus 45 is a minus 5. Next you have to write A inverse. A inverse is adjoint A by det A. Adjoint A is 10, first element, that A is a minus 5. No need to find the remaining elements. And 10 by minus 5 is minus 2. No need to find remaining elements. So now we check first element minus 2 in which given options, in 4 options. So the option is C. So the answer is C. In case first element is equal and then go to different element or second element or third element. So answer is C. Now we take another question in GATE 2019 Civil Engineering. Actually, every time they have a one question is a direct question. Now in this time in Laplace transform, the question is the Laplace transform of sin h of at is. Actually the standard formula in Laplace transform. So which one is correct in these options? So sin is a trigonometric function, sin h is a hyperbolic functions. First we write some standard formulas. We know Laplace transform, where L is the denoted the Laplace transform operator. Sin at is where A is the constant, A by s square plus a square. Next you write the L of sin h at. Sin h at. This is the hyperbolic functions in the Laplace transform. Write the formula where A is the A by s square minus a square. So next we write the cos, L of cos at. This is the trigonometric function. S by s square plus a square. Next hyperbolic cos, it is denoted by cos h at, that is, and change plus sign, s by s square minus a square. This is the standard formula in Laplace transforms. You remember this. So the answer is Option L of sin h 8 is a by s square minus a square. The answer is B. Thank you.